Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Gulam Ahmad Kavino and I want to describe material English. In English, have narrative text. Narrative text is a type of text that tells a series of events in a chronological or interconnected system. Narrative text is general, imaginative, not real. An example of narrative text is the story of Cinderella. Narrative texts are often quoted with English short story. Maybe this is wrong, but there are never different. Check the complete explanation in the article. English short stories, definition, structure, characteristic, and example. So, can a fiction novel be said to be a narrative text? It is true. A story in a novel that is fictional can be said to be a narrative text. This text is also often used as a story for English storytelling. The social function of narrative text is to entertain the audience or reader. Therefore, this type of text is suitable for small children, teenagers, as adults. The purpose of narrative text is the same as recon text. However, narrative text is a fictional story, while recon text is a real story. You can read the full detail in article recon text, definition, structure, type, and example. Structure, type, and example. There are 4 narrative text structure. Generic structure of narrative text. 1. Orientation. In Indonesia, orientation means introduction. So, the first paragraph of narrative text usually contains introduction to the character and setting involved in the content of the story. In the case, the setting can be the place where the incident occurs as well as the time of the story. 2. Complication. This section will start with a paragraph that tells the story of the beginning of event or incident because it is chronological. The problem that arises at the beginning will continue into a long series of story lines containing conflict, climax, and anticlimax. Oh, yes, to make it easier for you, here the arrangement of the complication problem, namely a paragraph or sentence that start to delete the problem of a story. Conflict, more complex. After there is a problem, the story will continue with conflict. In the section, the audience will be curious about what happened between one character and another. Climax, namely the peak of the conflict, which is the main highlight in the narrative text. Anticlimax. In Indonesia, this part is also known as the decline in conflict. So conflict will decrease slowly. Solution. As the sum suggest is a solution, the paragraph in the solution section will explain the resolution of the conflict that has previously described. In the case, complications are divided into their conflict, namely natural conflict, natural or inter-universe conflict, social conflict, conflict between figures or actors, psychological conflict, conflict within oneself or oneself. 3. Resolution. Resolution is the end of the story or the conclusion of the story. This paragraph can be a further explain of the solution is the section. The writer can also describe whether The narrative text script will end with a sad ending, or a happy ending. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.